So this is my cell, and this is the smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum, because it's a road and it connects my cell to all the other cells. Now, here's my cell. The cell membrane, this is the cell membrane, and it's guarded by monsters so that only certain things can get in. And here is my nucleus, which contains the DNA, and I made a library that has books and information about the DNA. Over here is the Golgi apparatus, and I made it a post office because it packages proteins. So here's my little post office. Over here is my beacon. It's the mitochondria because it's the powerhouse, and so I made it like a beacon. Yep. Over here is the lysosomes, and it recycles waste. So I made it like a trash can, and this kind of sort of looks like waste. Over here, and these are the ribosomes, and I made it sort of like, and the ribosomes produce proteins, so I made it like a factory for proteins, and that's it.